You're listening to NOAA weather radio station WXJ86 in La Crosse, or station KGG95 in Winona. Broadcasts originated the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County in west-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jackson County in west-central Wisconsin, Trempealeau County in west-central Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goodview, or near Winona, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: Public reported 1-inch hail at 2:45 p.m. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Winona and Fountain City around 3 p.m. Arcadia around 3:15 p.m. Blair around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Czechville, Merrick State Park, Lock and Dam 5A, Camp Decorah, Lodge and Beach Corners. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 246 and 256. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Winona, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo and Trempealeau.